Satan is a bad guy, and he kills the spirit.
He kills the spirit?
He kills the spirit.
Yeah. Is he on the good team or the bad team?
Bad team.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is he a good guy?
No. Bad guy. Bad guy.
Oh. And is he very nice?
No.
No? Do we want him in our house? No. Mm-mm.
I don't want Satan in all my friends' house.
That's a good idea.
So we should never do bad things.
That's a good idea.